Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, it's going to be a fleet update, so follow me. We got the good old Zx2. It's basically the sticker on my page when you look at my YouTube channel. A lot of people love these cars. People have owned these cars. You know, people that have had these cars. They're not the quickest cars, not the most fuel efficient cars, but they are pretty neat cars. They're different, they're quirky. I really like it, and it is finally fixed, guys. Right now it's working really good. My dad's been driving it lately. He says it drives so smooth. There's a very small vibration only when you're at stop, but the major vibration's gone. It's running good. It's got a little bit more power. Now, it's not fast by any means, but at least it's running, and it's running reliably. Now, my dad's Jeep. This is a late 90s Jeep. He bought it from my uncle. My uncle did a lot of work to this vehicle. He basically repainted it, did a lot of little things to kind of bring it up to date, restored it a little bit. This is a really rare lapis blue paint. A lot of people give my dad a hard time for the color of this vehicle. I really like it. It's different, it's unique, it pops, but it has a little bit of a problem. You can see the airbag's gone. Basically, we have a clock spring issue. The airbag. You have a little airbag light here. The horn doesn't work and stuff like that. It's off right now. We just have to get this off. The pulley we have is the wrong pulley, but we'll make a video on that. Other than that, this vehicle's running quite reliably. It's in such good shape since my uncle fixed it up. He really loves this thing. He's not going to drive in the wintertime, but that's why he bought that tracker. If you remember the tracker, follow me. Well, it's just been sitting here in the driveway. These trackers, they're awesome. When I made a little review on this vehicle, I told you guys that if you're looking for a cheap four-wheel drive SUV, and what I mean by SUV in quotations is body-on-frame vehicle, this might be for you guys. Yes, they're kind of small on the interior, but they're reliable. They're not the most fuel efficient, but you can have a lot of fun with them. Now, we have to do some work, so to the other side. This fender here, it got hit pretty bad. You can see it starting to rust, a big old divot here. So what we're going to do with this vehicle, we're going to remove this fender when it's not raining like today, get a new one, paint it, slap it on here. There is a little bit of an oil leak as well as an exhaust leak, so we have to fix that. This thing's in great shape. We'll come to the other side real quick. I just love the way these things look. They're nice and quirky. But the inside, here, I'll take the camera. Going in POV style. The interior's in perfect shape. I love these 90s seats. I talked about in my review. You have a real transfer case. It's true four-wheel drive, automatic transmission. But these are cool little vehicles. Transition. Now back to me. And then you have my Jeep. Mine is a 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ. I love this thing. It's not in the best shape. It's rusty but trusty. I actually have new caps. We're going to put that on very soon. A day when it's not raining, I'll throw it in the garage. This one's just destroyed. You can see some of the paint's peeling. This was actually replaced. This vehicle is now a light hit in the front. That's why it doesn't line up here. It's really hard to get these to adjust. Coming to the side. The rockers are shot. I'm going to order brand new rockers for you guys. The vehicle's dirty in general, so we're going to give it a nice bath. Now come to the interior. The interior is really bad, guys. And what I mean by that is just dirty. It's real filthy. The floor mats are disgusting. The carpet's kind of okay. The dash is just a thick layer of dirt and dust. I would like to fix the seat up. Either get it reupholstered or just get a new one in general. But there's lots of little things we're going to do. I actually ordered stuff from Rough Country. The seat covers are going to come later, but I have something for under the hood, so we'll have a video on that. So that's all the vehicles that I have currently at my dad's house. There's another one, the good old Journey that's sitting at my house, so let's look at that real quick. And then guys, we have the Dodge Journey 2014, and the best part about it, it's the most modern car, keyless entry. But it's pretty dirty in here. It needs a real thorough cleaning. The carpets are pretty bad, but this is an awesome car. It's not the most reliable car. Well, it is in my fleet. Ooh, gotta open that door. But it's become kind of a trash pile. But we'll clean it up, make it nice and shiny again. There'll be a nice little detail series on this. I bought a bunch of stuff to clean this vehicle out, so we'll get to that. All right, guys. So that's just a little update on the fleet. the Cherokee, my Cherokee, will be the next big project on the channel. I got stuff from rough country coming in for under the hood, some stuff in the interior. We're gonna wash it outside and interior. I got brand new caps sitting up there. We're gonna throw it on there, as well as me taking the best cap off that vehicle and showing you how you can fix it up. If you have one of these that just has faded plastic, you can paint it. You can do quite a few different things from aftermarket support to kind of restore its original look to it. So we'll do videos on that. But that's all I have for you guys today, so thank you for watching. And if you guys haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I'll keep trying to give you guys more and more content. It's about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, just like everything in my fleet, and EVs, a little bit of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.